cyber fraud incident has been reported in which unidentified scammers treated a man of 2.44 lakh rupees by sending him a malicious APK file on WhatsApp under the pretext of verifying a traffic challan. The victim, identified as Gajanan Umrani, a resident of Borgan village in Raibag Taluk of Belagavi district, Karnataka, lost 2,44,791 rupees from his bank account in the fraud. According to the complaint, Umrani received a WhatsApp message that appeared to be related to an RTO issued traffic challan. The message instructed him to check details of an alleged traffic violation and included an APK file to download and install. Believing the communication to be genuine and linked to the transport authorities, he proceeded to install the file on his mobile phone. Shortly after the installation, cybercriminals reportedly gained unauthorized access to his device. They are said to have exploited sensitive banking information, including OTPs stored or received on the phone, and swiftly transferred 2,44,791 rupees from his bank account to multiple unknown accounts within a short span of time. The fraud came to light when Umrani received notifications of multiple unauthorized transactions on his mobile phone. He then approached the district cybercrime police station and filed a complaint. Police have initiated an investigation into the incident. Authorities have warned the public to remain cautious and verify the authenticity of any message claiming to be from government departments before taking action. Cyber officials have also reiterated that Android package kit files are used to install applications on Android devices. However, they cautioned that APK files received from unknown or unverified sources may contain malware capable of stealing personal data, accessing banking credentials, and carrying out unauthorized activities on the device. Citizens are advised not to download or install such files received through messaging platforms or suspicious links. So viewers, stay alert and safe. Never download APK file or click on suspicious link sent via WhatsApp or unknown sources, even if they appear to be from official agencies. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.